for amber, shining so bright. B is for blue, like the sky in daylight. C is for crimson, bold and deep. D is for denim, cool and neat. Color, colors, colors all around. So many shades to be found. Sing along and you will see. Colors make the world so free. E is for emerald, lush and green. F is for fuchsia, pink and keen. G is for gold, it shines so bright. H is for hazel, warm and light. I is for indigo, deep like the sea. J is for jade on a jungle tree. K is for khaki, sandy and dry. L is for lavender, soft as the sky. Red and yellow, green and blue, every color's just for you. Mix them up and have some fun. Colors shine for everyone. M is for magenta, bright and bold. N is for navy, deep and cold. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for peach, soft and neat. Q is for quartz, pink and light. R is for rose, oh what a sight. S is for silver, shining so new. T is for teal, a mix of green and blue. U is for ultramarine, deep like night. V is for violet, a purple delight. W is for white, like the clouds up high. X is for Xanadu, a grayish sky. Y is for yellow, bright like the sun. Z is for saffron, a deep blue one. Colors, colors all around. So many shades to be found. Now you know them A to Z. Sing again and dance with me.
Ever wondered if you could build a wildly successful YouTube channel without a massive production team or a sky-high budget? Imagine replicating the success of an $8 million faceless YouTube channel, all by leveraging AI-powered tools. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on how I used AI to mirror the achievements of a top-performing channel. From content creation to optimization, I'll break down the exact strategies I use to crack the YouTube algorithm, strategies that anyone can apply, no matter your skill level. A few years ago, earning millions in ad revenue seemed like a pipe dream, but today, AI has completely changed the game. With the right tools, you can create stunning, high-quality videos that captivate and engage audiences without spending a fortune. Sounds too good to be true? The video you just watched at the beginning of this video was made in minutes, and guess what? It cost me absolutely nothing. If you're wondering how this is possible, stick with me, because I'm about to reveal my entire process, step by step. I'll show you exactly how I create animated kids videos that are fun, engaging, and bursting with life. I will be using ChatGPT to generate creative ideas for children's songs, playful storylines, and so much more. And to make things easy for you, I'll be sharing the exact prompts I use in the description below so you can replicate my process. Now, here's the kicker. This niche pulls in around $8 million every single month, adding up to over $95 million per year. And the best part? It's evergreen. Why? Because children never stop being born. There's always a new audience eager for fresh, engaging content. We're on the right track. Now, let's dive into ChatGPT and unleash the power of AI. I asked ChatGPT to generate children's song lyrics featuring colors arranged alphabetically, with each letter corresponding to a color. I chose to use DALL-E in ChatGPT to generate the script, as I will be generating my images from DALL-E, although any text-to-image generator could be used for this experiment. As you can see, ChatGPT produced letters representing colors and their names from A to Z. Next, I instructed ChatGPT to add the names of animals to these colors, also arranged alphabetically. ChatGPT successfully combined the color names with animal names, pairing them from A to Z. The following step was to generate images of these color animal pairs in a Pixar 3D animation style. I specified that the images should have rich textures, be in high definition, and have a 16:9 aspect ratio. After clicking enter, ChatGPT generated the first image, which turned out to be beautiful. I then typed in next and clicked the enter button, and ChatGPT generated a blue butterfly image, followed by a crispy crab. This blend of colors and animals continued. A denim dog, emerald elephants, and a cute flamingo were among the creations. Looking through the images, it is clear that ChatGPT did an excellent job combining colors and animals, creating a unique and visually appealing collection. If you don't have the funds for ChatGPT Pro, don't worry, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate the prompt for the images from the lyrics above. You can then copy that prompt and use it with a free text-to-image generator like Cocomelon.ai. Just click the Create button, paste the prompt into the text box, select the 16:9 ratio, and click Generate. I personally prefer the images generated by ChatGPT because I love the results. The next step is to download all the images. Keep in mind that ChatGPT generates images in web format, so you will need to convert them to PNG. To do this, go to PicFlow, the link is in the description. Upload all the images downloaded from ChatGPT, click Convert All, and then Save All. The images will be downloaded as a zip file, which you can extract by right-clicking and selecting Extract All. This completes the process, and here is the final image. Next, we move on to video generation by converting these images into a video using Minimax AI. When you visit Minimax AI tool, otherwise known as Halo AI, simply click the Create button. Keep in mind that Minimax AI offers 3 image generations per day with 100 daily credits. If you're new to Minimax AI, you'll receive a 3-day unlimited plan, so if you want to use it for free, just register with a new email. We will use the image to video option and upload the images one after the other. For example, I'm selecting the 12v01 live option. You also have the option to use your camera, but to do so, you must switch to the 12v01 director mode. For this first video, I'll choose the 12v01 director mode, choose a camera style, and click Generate. Minimax AI can generate up to 5 videos simultaneously, so let it process the remaining videos while you relax. Once the videos are ready, download them and move on to the next step, upscaling the videos for higher quality. To upscale, open CapCut and click on Magic Tools in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find Video Upscale. For a faster process, you can copy the link and paste in several tabs, as this would make things faster for you to be able to upscale several videos at once. Click the Upload button to upload your video. Then click Upscale. When processing is complete, click Export, which will open another page. And then click Download. Repeat this process for the other videos. Alright, I hope you are following. Stick around as we go ahead to generate the music for this video. First, I asked ChatGPT to suggest a music style for the children's song. Based on its suggestions, I decided to go with a classic nursery rhyme sing-along style. Then, I headed over to Suno AI. In Suno AI, I clicked the Custom button and pasted in the music style description exactly as provided by ChatGPT. Next, I returned to ChatGPT to copy the lyrics it generated for the song. I pasted these lyrics into Suno AI and removed any unwanted parts before clicking Create. Keep in mind that Suno AI provides 50 free credits daily, but for this particular project, I used my Pro plan. I also uploaded the final children's song to Google Drive, and the download link is in the description, so feel free to use them as they are copyright free because I am using a Pro plan. After listening to the generated song, once satisfied, I downloaded the MP3 audio and kept the alternative versions as links in the description. With the music ready, the next step was to edit the video. I opened CapCut, although you can use any video editing software, and clicked the Upload button to import all the files. First, I dragged the song onto the timeline. Then, I switched over to Canva to create colorful backgrounds for the chorus sections. In Canva, I went to the Elements tab, searched for a red background, or any color background that fit the scene, and once I found the right one, I dragged and dropped it onto the timeline. I repeated this process for every section, and then added some animal elements by searching for sound and uploading the corresponding animal graphics. After finalizing the visuals in Canva, I clicked Share, then Download, increased the quality settings, and saved the new assets. Returning to CapCut, I dragged and dropped the animal videos and color videos onto the timeline, aligning them with the lyrics of the song. To make the video more engaging for children, I added animations. I navigated to the Animate section in CapCut and applied interactive animations to the clips. I also added a camera shake effect during the chorus by typing camera shake in the Effects tab, dragging the effect onto the timeline, and adjusting the strength and speed to 2. I then pasted this effect throughout all the chorus segments. Finally, to complete the video, I added text overlays displaying the color names along with the corresponding animal names. I went to the Text tab, selected a white text style, dragged it to the timeline, and used the editing tools for text at the right-hand side to add colors and glow, and typed in the names, starting with Amber Ant for the first segment, until I complete the entire process from A to Z. This completes the process, from generating the music and video elements to editing and finalizing a fun, interactive children's video. What do you think? Feel free to place your comment below. Thanks for watching.